Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by inserting the image you want to edit. Choose a high-contrast photo because it makes removal cleaner and faster. Once the image is on the slide, make sure it's selected and positioned roughly where you need it. If you plan to clip precise edges later, increase the image size now so details are easier to work with. Also, duplicate the slide as a backup. That way, you can revert if an edit goes wrong. This gets you ready for the actual background removal steps. Now you tackle the middle work. Google Slides lacks a built-in automatic background remover, so you have two practical paths. First, use Mask Image with shapes to crop away simple backgrounds. This is fast for geometric subjects. Second, for complex edges, export the image and run it through a background remove tool, online or desktop, then re-import the transparent PNG. Once re-imported, position and scale it precisely. Use format options to tweak transparency or color correction, so the subject blends with your slide. Finish by aligning the subject and arranging layers so your new transparent image sits above any slide backgrounds or elements. Once done, inspect edges at 100% zoom. If you see halos or jagged lines, re-export the original image at higher resolution, rerun the background removal, and replace the PNG. This reduces artifacts. Make sure to save or duplicate the slide before big changes. If something goes wrong, undo and revert to your
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.